everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative. Today I'm going to take you through our new card making kit. It is this one here. It's called Bushland Boutique. Let me show you everything you get in the kit and then I'll take you through the cards that I have created with it. Just open it up. Okay, so we've got some of our gold pearls. This is some beautiful kind of like cream double-sided satin ribbon. The Bushland Boutique creative cuts. And of course you've got the card making pack. This is a little cut apart sheet with some sayings on it if you want to use those on your cards as well. And we have got the card and envelopes. I have got a little instruction on the back here of how to make this card. And if I open this up, I will show you that you've got all of the cards. And if I take this little card here and put it on here, you can see that my card is the exact measurement of this card. So if you want to measure, you just measure from here to here. It's the exact same on there. So you can make them exactly the same. Let me show you all the gorgeous cards. So this one's super easy. This is just a creative card with a couple of little fussy cut components. Really cute for just having your stash. Happy birthday, thanks for being my friend, birthday blessings. You could even change it up and use these as engagement cards or thank you cards, get well cards. This is my favorite piece of paper, I think. I just love that one. And the little gorgeous barn owls are amazing. So yeah, this is the little card. So all you do is you cut out this middle strip basically. So these are 2.5 inches each. You cut out that middle strip, stick it down the middle, and it makes a really fun, interesting card. So card making kits are now available on our website, Bushland Boutique. We've got a whole array of them on there and you can jump on and check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, bye.